This is my 5.3 retake. So, for the first question it asks, using sketch notes, explain what the optimal combination of resource, also known as the least cost rule, is. So I drew the equation for the least cost rule, and I drew a hamburger and fries to represent like the best combo, and then I drew an arrow with a slash above it to represent like max outputs. And for the second question, it was using sketch notes, explain how this concept is similar to the marginal utility optimal consumption rule we learned about in Unit 1. And I drew basically the same thing up here, but versus utility. I compared products and price, and I drew the equation of the least cost rule compared to the marginal utility optimal consumption rule, which is right there. So, and the third question was explain how to solve the following problem and show the process used to calculate your numbers. So I used this equation to solve for this. So John uses a machine shop and can hire workers in a competitive output market, paying them $15 an hour. So for the bottom, P represents price, so I put the price, 14. The marginal product of the last worker is 70. The marginal product, 70. And it says, John also rents machines at a rate of $50 per machine. So I times that by 50. And if John is already at the optimal cost combination, what is the marginal product of the last machine she used? And I said 250. So then for number 4, John owes a machine shop and can hire workers in a competitive market output, paying them $14 an hour. Again, I put it there. The marginal product of the last worker hired is 70, so again, put 70 at the top. And then John also rents machines at a rate of $50 per hour. So at the bottom again for the price, and the marginal product is 400. So to divide these, I got 5 and 8. And the question asks, should John hire more workers, more machines, or should not change his current labor and rental situation? Explain. So for this is labor and capital. You want to meet in the middle. So I said John should buy/rent more machines and hire less people to get in the middle. And that is the end of the 5.3 retake.